What's coming is worse than a recession. The last warning. Welcome back to the channel. Folks, today we dive into some alarming trends that have been highlighted in this video. I warn that what's coming is worse than a recession. Let's break down the key points and what they mean for you. The American struggle. I start by explaining that the average American feels at least 10 years older than they actually are. Why? Due to daily annoyances and financial stress. Kevin O'Leary discusses the dire situation facing the US restaurant industry, pointing out that rising food prices and the shift to remote work are significant factors contributing to restaurant closure across America. The restaurant industry crisis. Kevin highlights that the US restaurant industry is in a critical state with frequent bankruptcies, layoffs, and closure of beloved brands like Red Lobster and Applebee's. So the reasons are multifaceted. Number one, rising food prices. Food prices inflation has soared by 30% over last 4 years. 2. Remote work. The shift to remote work has drastically reduced foot traffic in urban areas, impacting restaurants heavily reliant on office workers. 3. Minimum wage increases. Some states are implementing a $20 minimum wage, further straining restaurant finances. The Uber Eats effect. I point out that services like Uber Eats have also played a significant role in hurting traditional restaurants. Uber Eats revenue skyrocketed from $1.9 billion in 2018 to $12.1 billion in 2022. Money that was once going to restaurant. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the shift, with 200,000 restaurants shutting down and the millions of jobs lost. The power of lobbyists. I argue that the restaurants industry's lobbying power pales in comparison to that of Big Pharma. During the pandemic, Big Pharma raked in $90 billion in profits from COVID-19 vaccines, while the restaurant industry was decimated. This discrepancies underscores the importance of political influence and lobbying. Survival of the fittest. From a macro perspective, I describe this as a Darwinism, survival of the fittest. Many iconic companies like Blockbuster and Kmart have gone out of business because they couldn't adapt. I suggest that the pandemic acted like a meteor, wiping out restaurants that couldn't pivot to new business models. Retirees returning to work. That's another alarming thing. The discussions then shift to the financial struggles of retirees. A recent survey shows that 44% of retired Americans are considering returning to work due to chronic inflation and inadequate social security income. High costs of living are forcing many to rethink their retirement plans, with some even planning to retire later than expected. Inflation impact. Inflation is a significant concern for many Americans, despite federal assurance that inflation is under control. Many retirees in America and soon to be retiree feel the financial squeeze. I emphasize the importance of savings and investing wisely to avoid financial hardship at the retirement age. The young wolf and the old wolf. I share a powerful message. Ensure the young wolf in you takes care of the old wolf. This means making smart financial decisions now to secure your future. I use this example of my father, who, despite numerous health issues, stays active and engaged, illustrating the benefits of staying socially and physically active as you age. In conclusion, my warning is clear. We are facing more significant challenges than a mere recession. Rising costs, industry shifts, and inadequate financial planning are converging to create a perfect storm. So stay informed, adapt, and make a wise financial decision to navigate these turbulent times. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay safe and see you next time. Thank you.